Discuss question number 3. Question number 3, add the following. ये आपका 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन जो है वो भी आपका ऐड है. दैट मीन्स a 2 whole 1/3 up plus 3 whole 1/4. First of all, this is in mixed fraction. We have to arrange it in simple fraction. Then 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7 7/3. Just like this, 4 is multiplied by 3, then we get 12 plus 1 13/4. Again, denominator is multiplied by this, then we get 3 2 ja 6 and 1 is added. 3 को 2 से गुना करेंगे 6 मिला, फिर 6 को 1 से जोड़ेंगे 7 मिला, तब जाकर के ये 7 हो गया और नीचे में तुम्हारा 10 का 10 3 हो गया. आफ्टर दिस 4 is multiplied by 3, then we get 12 and 1 is added, then we get 13/4. Now we have to add these two, such like question number 2. So firstly we have to find LCM of 3 and 4, then we get 12. In our earlier classes we have already studied about how to find LCM of 3 and 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Now 12, and in our earlier question we divide LCM by first denominator. LCM is 12 and denominator is 3, so we divide firstly 12 by 3 and we get 4. Now 4 is multiplied by 7, then we get 28. Then just like this, 4 3 are 12, 12 divided 4, then we get 3, and 3 is multiplied by 13, then we get 39, and this is 39. Now these two are added and added, 67/12, we get 67/12. Now denominator is lesser, numerator is greater, then we had to change it in mixed fraction. And because this question is in mixed fraction, then we have to find this in also mixed fraction. 12 is divided 67, 67 is divided by 12, 7, then this is called whole, 7 is numerator and 12 is denominator, and this is our answer. Okay, that means this may be solved by this, and it has now we discuss question number 4. Question number 4 is subtract the following. Subtract, and the number of 4 number question you have to subtract. That means 16/21, 7/21. That means 7/21 has to subtract it from 16/21. Then LCM of 21 and 21 is 21. LCM of 21 and 21 is 21. So 21 is written in denominator. And 21 is 21 divided 21, then we get 1, and 1 is multiplied by 16, then we get 16. So here 16 is written. Whereas in second we see that 21 is divided by 21, we get 1, and 1 is multiplied by 7, then we get 7. Here we have to subtract 7 from 16. And then we get 9 by 21. 9 by 21. 9 by 21, and this is divisible by 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 7 ja 21. So 3 by 7 is your answer. जस्ट उसी तरीके से जैसे जोड़ होता है वैसे ही घटाव है. 16 by 21 में से घटाना है 7 by 21 को, तो 21 21 कैल्शियम निकाले 21 आया. 21 को 21 से डिवाइड किए 1 आया. 1 को 16 से मल्टीप्लाई कराए तो 16 आया. फिर माइनस की जगह पे माइनस हो गया. फिर 21 को 21 से डिवाइड किए तो 1 आया. 1 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कराए तो 7 आया. इसलिए 16 में से 7 को घटाना है. 16 में से 7 घटाओगे तो 9 आएगा. और फिर बाई 9 by 21 ये हम देख रहे हैं कि ये 3 से ऊपर और नीचे, दैट मीन्स न्यूमरेटर में और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में भाग लगेगा, इसलिए 3/7 हो गया तुम्हारा. और यही 3/7 तुम्हारा आंसर हो गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 के बारे में अगर डिस्कस करते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है 1 whole 2/7 from 5 whole 1/2. दैट मीन्स 1 whole 2/7 is to be subtracted from 5 whole 1/2. So 5 whole 1/2 minus 1 whole 2/7. And first of all we have to change mixed fraction into simple fraction. So we get 11/2 minus 9/7. Now LCM of 2 and 7 is equal to 14. So 14 is divided by 2 and we get 7. So 11 7 ja 77 minus 7 2 ja 14. So 9 2 ja 18. And now we subtract 18 from 77. And if you subtract 18 from 77, then you get 9 14. Now denominator is lesser, so you have to change it into mixed fraction, and mixed fraction 14 59. So it is written such like this: 4 is at here, 3 is at here, and 14 is at here, and this is your answer. Okay, this is question number 5. 6 is also such like this. Question number 6, we will discuss question number 6 as the following, because it has addition and subtraction both. So firstly, according to Borba's theory, we have to add firstly, and then after it we have to subtract. Question number 6, and 6 is 2 whole 1/3 plus 3 whole 1/2 minus 1 whole 1/6. It has two rules, and the first rule is such: 7/3, 7/2, 7/6. Firstly, we have to find the LCM of 3, 2 and 6. Then we get 2, 3, 1 ja, 3 ja. 3, 1, 1, 1. That means 3 2 ja 6. and 6 is our LCM. So 6 is written here. After this, 6 is divided by 3, then we get 2. 7 2 ja 14. Plus 2 3 ja 6, 7 3 ja 21. Minus 6 1 ja 6, so 7 is written here. Now 14 and 21 is added. 4 1 5, 2 1 3, minus 7 by 6. And now we have to subtract 7 from 35. And this is 28 by 6. 28 by 6, and we see here that these two will be divided by 2. So 14, 3. Now 14 by 3, and 3 is lesser than 14. So we have to change it in mixed fraction. 3 by 14. 2. Then our answer will be 4 whole 2 by 3. And this is your answer. You have to solve question number 6 such like this. Now we will discuss question number 7. And the question number 7 is the sum of two numbers is question number 7. The sum of two numbers is 13 whole 1 by 4. If one number is 5 whole 3 by 4, find the other. That means two numbers, the sum of two numbers is given. Let second number be x. Then according to question, the sum of 5 whole 3 by 4 plus x is equal to 13 whole 1 by 4. And we have to find the value of x. Then 23 by 4 plus x by 1 is equal to 53 by 4. So the value of x is equal to 53 by 4 minus 23 by 4. Now x is equal to 4 53 by 23. Now 30 by 4, and 30 by 4 is divided by 2. So this will be 15, this will be 2. 15 by 2, and if you change it in mixed fraction, then you get 7 whole 1 by 2, and this is your answer. Okay, we have to discuss question number 8, question number 9 and question number 10. Now we have to see question number 8, question number 9 and question number 10. And these are subjective questions. Which is greater, the sum of 2 whole 1 by 4 and 5 whole 1 by 2. That means in question number 8, you have to solve 5 whole 1 by 2, these two. And in second paragraph, we have to solve 3 whole 2 by 3 plus 2 whole 1 by 3. And you have to find out the sum of these and the sum of these. And then you have to select which is greater, the answer of this or the answer of this, and by how much. So we have to find how much, then we have to subtract the lesser from greater. Okay, in question number 9, Sunita is a girl who bought 10 kg box of grapes. She gave 3 whole 1 by 2 kg to Punita and 2 whole 1 by 4 kg to Anita. And how many kilograms of grapes were left? That means Punita 3 whole 1 by 2, which is given to Punita, and 2 whole 1 by 4, which is given to Anita, must be added firstly. And after this, we have to subtract from 10 kg, and then you get your answer. That means 10 kg minus 3 whole 1 by 2 plus 2 whole 1 by 4, and then you have to solve this. Okay, and the last one question is question number 10. This is also subjective question. You have to solve these all. So let's your work is, homework is, you have to solve 2.1 total. That means you have in HW copies. I have already told you that you have to buy 2 copies. One is for HW and the other is for CW. And then you have to solve these all questions in HW. Okay.